So since I missed the last time, with this camera working just fine, I'm not gonna crawl fully underneath. There's this right here. Oh, so it looks like someone did cut some stuff on the back there. Yeah, on the exhaust. Those are not catalytic converters. Interesting. Very interesting. Not much to really show underneath here because it's all flat. Look at that oil pan though on that. That's huge. But we'll look at it more once we tear the body off the frame. Next year or this year, depending on how fast we get the things.
No, I think I might work on it a little bit at a time, just to get rid of the body.
Oh, the drive shaft's gone. Yeah, your drive shaft's gone.
Oh, they took it off?
Yeah, it's gone.
Huh. That's why I didn't see something. I didn't look.
Yeah, that's why this one on the roll. But I think the safety feature on this Jaguar, with it turned off, is keeping it from rolling properly. Because, of course, I know it's got a Jaguar warning security system. But, yeah, the guy who was kind of working on this took the key.
Decided he was going to keep it.
Yeah, because you can reprogram it and sell it.
Well, that's fine. I just want the engine to run gears.
Yeah, because we always get a different ignition.
Wire harness.
Well, time to get this off, and then we'll explore, and we'll also discuss on which project car the guts out of this is going to get.
Yeah, because I can't have the car because there's something about something's up with the title.
Yeah,
so
and since it's
one of those type of, I can't remember what you call it, but the only thing you can do with a car like that is part it out or crush it.
Yep.
So I'm going to part out everything that's good on it, take what's left back. So
yep, since this is a sports car, it has to be either parted out completely or crushed. Probably one of the easiest loads we've had in a long time. Came off nice. Now I'll get on over on this side. So this is what Tucker's mainly after right here, the Jaguar V8 4.0.
Yep, I want the engine, transmission, the rear and don't fit anything. I want to find out what kind of gear ratio is in that thing. I want to mock it on something else so that way it stays all Jag.
Yeah, because we know nothing about Jaguars.
No,
this is going to be.
I just know they're supposed to be fast.
Yeah, and which I'll show is the reason why they're fast too. But a lot of this stuff we got to get books, study on, because he's trying to figure out what to put it in. Maybe the 36 Chevy was going to be the 56 Pontiac, but I was like, no, not really.
Originally, I had the idea of putting it down in that 34 Pontiac. But
yeah.
It's like, oh man, do I want to kill myself or? Because technically, the speedometer on this one goes up to 170.
Yeah, which I'll show right now. Oh, by the way, too, this has a windshield. One windshield wiper goes from side to side. It's huge. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff here we're gonna have to. Yeah, see, there's that huge brake booster. Oh, what'd you find? Ah, wonderful. There's the brain.
I don't know nothing about those.
Nope. That's why we gotta study. But reason why. Hopefully you can see that 170 on the speedometer, and these are known to go that high.
Yeah, I was told that a guy I work with has a 2003 just like this, the same engine. He says there's a reason it says 170.
Yeah, but we got a lot of good stuff here to transplant over to an older car. Bucket seats, center console.
Bucket seats.
Oh yeah. Of course, you know it's gonna be, too wide, but Yeah, they're kind of stiff to get out.
There we go.
Yeah.
That's actually kind of neat.
Yeah, it is. But of course we'll mock the bucket seats because I'm going to learn how to make seats from scratch. I know whatever old car, you know, it's going to be too wide for it, so I have to, you know, do some customization because oh yeah, I also forgot too, there's even a back heater for passengers, which is interesting. And on each side underneath the front of the seat, there's all this stuff right here that we're going to have to transplant over to some car, which there'll be plenty of room to do so. Yeah, and like most Jaguars, there's the gas tank. Doesn't smell bad. Might not be nothing in it. Magnetic. Premium unleaded fuel only. But can't get into the trunk nor the glove box because the key's gone. But yeah, this is Vendor Plus edition V8.
I don't know nothing about Jaguars.
No, it's huge learning experience. Yeah. So we're gonna decide on what kind of vehicle is gonna get this in. We almost thought about maybe the 67 Mustang here, but this is his Coupe project.
My whole idea is where I want to plan with that.
Yeah, he's got a whole idea for that, but so pretty much the 36 Chevrolet.
I originally thought about putting it in that 46 style line over there.
Yeah, it's 46 Chevy, but that could be a different kind of cruiser. So yeah, so far the only candidate's just the that 36 Chevrolet 5-window.
That 5-window coupe over there.
And which we'll actually go over and check right now. So here's the prime candidate for the Jaguar stuff. She's rough, but pretty easy to take apart because I have to do take it apart by the stitches where they welded it, straighten some things out, including with the roof. Just take it all apart right here because it's the same thing on each side. And up over here in the front too, right there. Take it all off, pop it, straighten the hood, pop it back on. Reinforce the snot out of this because that frame is pretty thick as it is. I don't think we need to tube it. Or, yeah.
We may have to put some extra crossovers on.
Yeah, we'll have to
beef up the front end.
Yeah, because a lot of this will have to be changed entirely. As the only thing that's really held together by wood is just the doors, and it's going to get electrical. We'll have to figure out how to pretty much set all this up for electrical and everything, because the wing windows are going to stay, because we love wing windows. But this is pretty much going to be the street car with Jaguar stuff in it. And
I don't care if people say this is POS.
Yeah.
You don't just up and find original steel 5-window coupes of anything.
Yeah.
What I paid for.
Yeah, and this has the rumble seat, but it's not going to stay a rumble seat. It's just going to be a 2-door passenger.
See, I originally thought putting it in this.
Yeah, the 34 Pontiac.
I'm a big nut about
Darn flag yet.
sedans, plus this one here had the extended frame for the straight 6 that it had.
Yeah, because this was the biggest model, that I guess of that year. Can't remember exactly.
I don't remember.
It's just a 2-door sedan.
Because I picked this one here up at the same time I got this one. They actually came home with the same trailer.
Yep. So pretty much prime candidate for the Jaguar stuff.
Yeah,
And this
originally too thought about the 46 there.
oh yeah, the Style Master, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be that one there, but almost came close to the 47 Lincoln, but we got different plans
No,
for
I got
that.
different plans for that.
And of course the Chieftain over
They
there.
came out with a V12. I want to put a V12 back in.
Yeah. So that's pretty much everything in a nutshell. Still trying to move stuff around. So.
The bad thing about having a car like this, when you start working on it, how am I going to get this here?
Well, it's going to be next year when I work on the frames, because a lot of these cars are going to get torn off the frames and redone. I figured I'm just going to keep the X rat rod, because this is, I can't remember what it is. It's some sort of a GM, but it's one of those rare cars now. It won't take much to redo it. It'll get modernized though.
I need it right back door, or left back door.
Yeah, because this is probably going to get like a 350 in it. It's not going to be entirely original. It'll get modernized. But yeah, this was a rat rod, but now not. Now we trying to decide either a rat rod, another rat rod to grab in the future or not.
Well, my version of the rat rod's not like everybody else thinks.
They're all different from one another.
I want to do the original rat rod style. I mean, that's
yeah. But yeah.
A giant Frankenstein thing.
Yeah. So yeah, it's just gonna stay right here. I'm gonna block it up and just keep it there, because I was gonna, you know, put it back right here, and we weren't gonna have no plans for the 36 Chevy, but now we gotta keep it there so I could drag it out, so that way next year I could drag this out. Yeah, I mean, it's rough, but I mean, nothing too bad. I mean, it's not Cadillac rough, it's not Roadrunner rough, it's not Lincoln rough, it's Chevy rough. And 5-window, 3-window coupe, we don't care. We like all coupes. I mean, you could always put it in the business Wayfarer. But
I need a donor though.
I know we gotta have a donor in the back, because I shown this a long time ago. Someone turned it into a pickup. But that's pretty much everything in a nutshell. The plans, we were gonna name it Jaguar, but other people have done that, and the only ones I've really found was some sort of a big yacht named the Jaguar, and then someone did like an 88 Chevrolet pickup with Jaguar stuff in it. So we gotta come up with some sort of a name. But yeah, parts car for the 36 Chevrolet 5-window. So it's pretty much everything in a nutshell. Gonna pick some stuff up and get some other things organized. So all of you have a good one now. Thank you very much for the support. We're getting closer to 1,000 subscribers. So y'all have a good one now. Take care and stay safe. Me and Tucker, we wish y'all to do. Have a good one. Yeah, we got to. Could be worse. Could be worse. With this trailer, who knows anymore?